What's up, guys? I am JD from JDTechGear, as you probably already know. Today we're going on a trip to E3. My friend Brock and I, Brock is going to be my cameraman, so that's going to be fun having a cameraman, so I don't always have to hold the camera. It's going to be fantastic. But anyways, yeah, it was a beautiful morning here. As you saw, that was captured by this glorious 4K camera. But I'm shooting 1080p 60 FPS just because the file sizes are a lot smaller than 4K 30 FPS. Just on a side note. Now this is my first official vlog, so this is going to be fun and also a little bit tedious. I made another vlog before that I do not have released to the public. So yeah, I just tried to print out my tickets to E3. No, not to E3. The flight tickets to E3, which are to Los Angeles. And there's trouble validating my ticket. So I already got problems validating tickets and all sorts of stuff, which I already assumed there would be. So supposedly I'm supposed to be in Los Angeles today. That's crazy. That is crazy. My sleep schedule's already messed up, but now it's gonna be even more messed up. But first, I need to get cleaned up. That's how you do it. All freshly shaved. Now I'm ready to pick up Brock. So let's get this trip started. Oh, and by the way, the pace of my vlogs are usually pretty fast and just really fast paced, but there are some down times within the vlog. I just want to keep it interesting. So in case you're just wondering about the pacing issues. Alright. Let's do this. That's official. Oh, it's about to get bright. Oh god, it's bright. It's time to pick up Brock. For those of you who are wondering, I am rocking a Hyundai Sonata. Oops. Close you. There we go. Yeah, it's Elise. Your boy's got to be smart with money and stuff. Oh, it's hot. It's hot in this car. Oh, give me the AC. Oh god, give me the AC. Alright, we rolling into Brock's. Hey yo, Brock, where you at? The chauffeur is here. Hey, where is he? Where is he? Is he coming through the door? Hey! You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Alright, I hit every single red light here. Patience is a virtue, right? Right?
Yep.
Yep, it's just like red light. Alright, what do you got again? Oh, look at that, another red light. Why give me the green light? That means that there's a parking space available, but there's no parking space available. Okay, look at that. Another green light over there. But the spot is taken. Where else we got? Hey, there's a car driving out right over there. You see any green? Oh, there's a green over there. Let's see if they'll lie to us again. Oh wait, this one actually looks kind of legitimate. Nope, it's just because the car is so damn small. I don't even know where we are anymore.
We just gotta find a spot. Gonna miss our plane.
We got time, right? All right, thank God for that rear view camera, because I do not want to hit that fence behind me. All right, we're Gucci. We're about to depart. We got our tickets. It's all straightened out. And we're about to play some Switch. Yeah, we might have some time to get some food. We just landed in Atlanta, and we got to rush over to our layover. About to connect on over to Los Angeles. Just look how far back that goes. That is crazy. Just made it in. How do you feel?
Tired.
Yeah, tired. Jet lag? Nah, fam. I lagged the jet. Waiting for Chester. It's been a long day. Waiting for our Uber.
We missed the first one.
Yeah, we missed the first one. Come on, Chester. Well, just got in for the night. It's like almost 1 o'clock. So that means 4 o'clock my time. So, yeah, it's been a long day. Don't mind me, I'm just vlogging. Just look at this view. Everyone can see me and I can see them. So it's perfect. All right, so now it's the morning time. Brock's playing his Nintendo Switch. How's that working out?
Real fun.
All right, this is the view we've got from outside the bedroom. There's the toilet, there's some towels, boom. We got the main view in here. These are the boys from Bloody. That's Rajiv. And there's Carter. just chilling in the back. If you told me this was real, I'd be like, no, 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 this is GTA 5 simulator. I'm already adjusted to this sleep schedule because I already wake up and go to bed at 5 o'clock and wake up at 1 o'clock because, you know, that YouTube life. Heading to E3. Got our badges. We're looking official. We are on the way to the LA Convention Center. So this is gonna be interesting. First time ever doing anything like this. Adventure time. So Brock and I are just chilling on the ground. There's nowhere to sit, so we're just chilling on the ground. It was $13 for a chicken sandwich, and it was $9 for 2 water bottles. I'm hurting inside. But this is fine. It's fine. Right? It's fine. It's fine. Brock went to go sit down, and his pants ripped. He has like a nice tear right along the side of his leg, so. Right on the crotch. Poor guy. Kind of hard to cover that one up. This has instantly become memorable. And Brock and I are sitting down again. It's day two? Day 2, yeah, this is the second day I'm waking up, right? I'm having trouble counting. When we got back to the Airbnb apartment, we were all just chilling and talking about tech in the industry and total nerd talk. It was super chill, and I was all about it. In my empire, as I look over like the southeast corner of LA, I'm just kidding. I don't even know if this is southeast, southwest, or the north or the west part of LA. I just said that just so it sounded cool. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go hiking. We gotta make our way downtown, walking fast, faces blessed, and I'm unbound. You know that song? I know that song. You know that song. So we gotta navigate our way around, and we are absolutely terrible at it.
Hey.
What?
I'm not terrible.
No, I'm terrible at it. All right, day 2. So Brock decided to take the long way over to the other hall with the other exhibits. He says we need to get a morning jog in. Is that right, Brock?
Yep.
All right, trying to do some racing for Samsung to win a QLED TV. Brock's gonna win, right, Brock? He's gonna win. Realm Royale booth, about to win a console, right? You gonna win that console? Gotta win a battle in Realm Royale, and you can pick and choose which console you want.
This game is so accessible for the newbies, for sure.
Absolutely. 4 or 5 seconds. So you want to keep track of where that layer is. It's crossbow. It's not too much. The problem is he has no way to feel it this way. Ouch.
I'm out, y'all.
Thank you, Cooley. Great job today.
Oh, yes. Brock's on announcement right now. Okay, an official announcer's on him. Oh, we're going for some engagement.
You won't know what's going to happen here. Shielding potion. This is the first one. It's the second. Oh, he's been bursted. That was lucky. He hit a huge headshot.
2 chickens. Kill him.
Oh.
Where'd he go?
Where's the chicken? You gotta get him, Skull. Now, if he's not getting the chicken soon, he's gonna revive. He's gotta clean it up here.
Yeah. Oh.
Nice try.
That was a good try. And there's Fluffy right there. It's cool, there's some celebrities here. We had Travis Barker's kids come in, I think yesterday, and they had more rings on their fingers than I had dollars in my bank account. All right, I'm about to meet up with Mark, hopefully. All right, guys, I met with Mark from Scattervolt. All right, so make sure to check him out. And this is the first time I met like another tech YouTuber, other than like myself. I know this lighting is absolutely fantastic. This was day 2 at E3. It was a lot of fun. Brock, how you feeling? I think I'm good. I think I'm good. You just gotta be like have your hand in your pocket and you got like the one arm on the window like this. Alright, so we were sleeping in, having a nice time, and then we woke up to the Cleveland and said it was checkout time. So this is day 3, we're going to E3. I'm losing my voice. I don't know if I got enough sleep. And we have a flight at 11:45 p.m. tonight, and we arrive at 9:45.
High fives, guys. Real gamers. Security escort all these people out. They're not real gamers. They are not real gamers, because real gamers give real high fives.
Alright, we're at the end of E3 over here, and we've got everyone all around. Everyone say hi! Everyone's leaving! Yeah! Cheers! Yeah, cheers! Okay, we're just... Whoa. We have a flight at 11:30 to leave Chicago, and we were like running in here, we were running late, and it turns out it's delayed, and our connecting flight is an hour layover. An hour. The delay is probably gonna cut it too close, and we're gonna miss the flight. So instead of arriving at 9:35, 45 in the morning, we're gonna be arriving at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So we're waiting for the next flight. We're at Chicago. Brock's playing some N++. How's it going, bro? Not well. Not well. Here at the Chicago airport. landed. Now we just gotta find where we parked. Brock is one step ahead of me, apparently. So I remember where I parked, but not really. So we just gotta find Brock, and then we can find my car. Slept on the plane. It was only like an hour and a half flight. Brock, how you feeling? You got a storm brewing? Huh? That is, interesting.